So, friends, in front of us, Mr. Nikhil Garg is sitting. I should rather refer Nikhil Garg as CA Nikhil Garg. He had achieved All India rank 33 in CA final July 21 attempt with 94 marks in SFM. Yes, friend, 94 marks in SFM, 94% marks in one of the toughest exam of the world, chartered accountancy. So who says that CA is tough? If you have a right approach, if you follow the right guidance, right path, right discipline, then it is possible. Nikhil was targeting 100% marks. Definitely he must have got so much motivation while doing his SFM preparation that he can even think of 100% marks. So, Mr. Nikhil, what is your journey? How you have achieved such a great milestone? Please show some light to all of us so that we can also be motivated by your achievement, and definitely you can guide us in a better manner. Please, Nikhil, go ahead and say your preparation strategy.
Thank you, sir, for congratulating me. I would like to tell about my strategy. I would like to focus on SFM. I scored 94. So, what I would like to say is SFM is a vast subject, but it is not very difficult. If you work hard enough, you can understand it. You just have to focus on the concepts, get yourself conceptual clarity. Then you will be able to score 90 plus easily. I was targeting for 100 marks because everything was already covered in the syllabus. I knew the almost 100% of the paper. I don't know where I lost marks, but it's okay. It must be in theory. Uh, as for my approach, I went for the Tejan sir. He We make notes concept wise, so I really like that. As during revision, you can just refer to the concepts and the formulas. You don't have to go over the questions again and again and again. You just have to be clear in your mind about how to approach a particular question, and also you can implement whatever you have learned practically. That will really help you in real life as well as in exam. And when you implement something practically, you can also use it to talk with friends. You can have this daily chat, which share did you invest in today or something like that.
Yeah, I was coming into that you have also a practical knowledge of SFM. You are a stock market expert. You know how share prices move. You know how to buy and sell. You have the practical exposure. So, do this practical knowledge helps in exam? Do you have that confidence level that I know everything conceptually as well as practically, so I can link in much more manner, better manner than other students who have mugged up the things, who have just practice few questions and they think that they will be able to score good marks in SFM? Is Do you find any difference because you have the practical exposure, you have a demat account, you are owner of many listed companies, you know how to buy and sell share?
Definitely, sir. It really helps you because I watched your classes and then I learned how we can do intraday trading. We can do cash and carry and delivery. We can also do future and options. So it gives you an exposure. Also, sir, when you something in real life, you will always remember it. It's not like you have to mug it up. You just know how to buy, how to sell, how it works.
So next time I will definitely share your mark sheet with everyone right now. So friends, this is the mark sheet of Mr. Nikhil. You can see the mark sheet. Almost he secured exemption in all the papers of group 2. He secured exemption in all the papers, and in SFM he scored 94 marks. This is real motivation. We see motivation here and there, but the real motivation is here where we can see the real example of a student who is targeting 100% marks in SFM in one of the toughest paper in CA, and here is the mark sheet. See, he is scoring 94 marks. That's the real achievement of Mr. Nikhil. So, Mr. Nikhil, I am really very happy to take your interview, and definitely I will also want that you give some final tips to all the students so that they can be motivated and they can also do better. Final one liner to all my students.
Okay, I would like to say cover 100% of the syllabus and try to get as much practical exposure as possible in all the subjects.
Simple line, bookish language is not enough. You must have conceptual knowledge and you must have practical knowledge. Thank you
Yes,
so much,
sir.
Nikhil, for giving us the valuable time. And I know that you have so many now parties and all will go on in your family. Your parents are a proud parents now. So
Yes,
you
sir.
have done it, Mr. Nikhil. I will definitely will take another interview from you whenever you will achieve something in your life. Definitely, I know that a student, a disciplined student like you will not stop here. You will continue your journey from here and you have miles and miles to go. Thank you so much, Nikhil.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.